Homes in Annapolis continue to go under contract quickly and at close to list price as the inventory continues to rise. Yet inventory is still constrained, especially in first-time homebuyer price ranges. It's July 3rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The weather has been hot, and so is the Annapolis market. Most homes for sale are priced in the median range well above last year's early July prices. The days on the market are up 6 days, and the list to sold ratio is down just 1.2% year over year. Inventory in Annapolis for sale dipped this week to 228 units at a median $764,500 compared to 2024's 137 homes offered. 20 properties are coming soon. 35 homes went under contract in 8 days. 55 homes sold for 98.8% list to sold ratio and in 15 days with a median sales price of $677,500. 26 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $612,450 and in 12 days. 25 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $692,500. 4 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $621,683. There are 32 homes for lease at $3,173 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for July 3rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a safe and happy Independence Day holiday. I'll see you next week. Take care.